Hey guys, check it out. We are on our way to Bantam. Chris, the Jeep Whisperer, is ahead of me. We are just now in Berkeley Springs. What a mess. This place is super congested. It's taken us like, I don't know, we left Sheets 20 minutes ago and we're just now in the center of town. But we're on our way to Bantam Jeep Festival, so hang out for the ride and I'll come back when we're there. All right guys, so we have made it to Bantam. Let's go inside. Little Willie's Jeep.
Watch your head. If you really want to challenge,
Say there's a little bit of everything out here for everyone. So we've seen a lot of people, talked to a lot of friends. Usually they have like a little reenactment here in the afternoon. All right, let's go in the history museum here. No.
So that's just a hold.
Mm-hmm. It's just a handle.
Skip
But you got the little microphone?
That first.
A little microphone.
That case.
Yeah, I know. You want to...
How you doing?
It's all right. How are you?
Coming down. Hang on. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for us. We're fueled up. We're ready to hit the road. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out Bleepin' Jeep. Also check out MPOWER Lights. I'll leave a link down below. Check out Mischief Maker and Daddy Jeep. Led trails all weekend. Didn't even have a chance to see him. Chris was fun this weekend. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have been able to get some of this stuff done. His Cherokee made it. Now we just gotta make it home. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.
Have our red lights on in the back?
I see brake lights.
Yeah, those ones. I don't have any MPOWER lights.